Group is a Swiss-based, family-owned manufacturer and global brand specializing in construction equipment, particularly for road building and transportation infrastructure. Founded in 1869 by Jacob Ammann, the company is headquartered in Langenthal, Switzerland, and is currently led by CEO Hans Christian Schneider, representing the sixth generation of family leadership. Ammann Group is renowned for its advanced mixing plants, asphalt and concrete plants, compactors, pavers, and other machinery essential to the construction and road building industries. The company operates manufacturing facilities in Switzerland, Germany, Italy, the Czech Republic, China, India, and Brazil, and serves customers in over 100 countries worldwide. Ammann has a strong commitment to innovation, sustainability, and digital connectivity, offering solutions that improve efficiency, productivity, and environmental performance, such as their emission initiative for reduced emissions and state-of-the-art telematics systems. With a workforce of around 3,000 employees and annual revenues nearing 900 million Swiss francs, Ammann Group is considered a world leader in its sector, known for reliability, technological advancement, and a global service network.